Hi everyone! In this video, you have to guess the name of the country by looking at the landmark. You have got only 3 seconds to answer. Let's get started. Look at the landmark and tell me which country is it in. The right answer is India. The landmark is Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is in India. Let's see the next one. Look at the landmark carefully and tell which country is it in. It's in France and it's an Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower is in France. Good job everyone. Now let's look at the next landmark. It's a Statue of Liberty and it is located in United States of America. Good job. Let's see the next landmark. What do you think about this? This landmark is in China and the name is Great Wall of China. Good job. Let's see the next one. Can you look at the landmark and tell me which country this is in? This is called Colosseum and it is located in Italy. Good job. Let's see the next one. What do you think? Yes, these are pyramids of Giza and they are located in Egypt. Good job. Let's see the next landmark. This landmark is called Christ the Redeemer and it is located in Brazil. Good job for your answer. What about this landmark? Which country is it in? It is in Australia and it is called Sydney Opera House. Let's see the next one. I hope you have seen this somewhere. Which landmark is it and where is it located? This landmark is called Mount Fuji and it is located in Japan. Good job. Look at this landmark. What do you think? Which country this is in? This is called Big Ben and it is located in United Kingdom. Good job, children. Let's see the next one. Can you guess the name of the country? Yes, it is Burj Khalifa and it is located in United Arab Emirates. Good job. Can you see the next one and tell the name of the country? Yes, this is Sphinx and it is located in Egypt. Let's see the next one. Can you guess? Yes, it is Parthenon. It is located in Greece. Let's move to the next one. Can you tell which country this landmark is in? The answer is Turkey and it is called Hagia Sophia. It is located in Turkey. What about this landmark? Which country this is in? This landmark is called CN Tower and it is located in Canada. Good job! Let's see the next one. This landmark is called Petra and this is located in a country called Jordan. Let's check out the next one. This is a landmark which is located in Brazil and it's called chicken pizza. Good job, everyone! Now the next one for you. What could be the name of the country? Yes, this landmark is called Machu Picchu and it is located in Peru. Let's move to the next one. Here you can see a landmark. Can you guess the name of the country by looking at it? Yes, this is called Grand Canyon. It is located in United States of America. Good job! Let's see the next one. The next one is located in Spain and it is called Sagrada Familia. Good job, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is it for today. For more amazing videos, you can go back to my channel and watch some other wonderful videos. Bye for now.